Kids colors name. Kids shapes drawing and color fill. Kids colors name. First color yellow color, red color, sky blue color, blue color, orange color, green color, brown color, pink color, black color and purple color. Kids shapes drawing black color, heart, cloud, kids cloud, right arrow, moon, cube, round the square, kids color fill heart light pink color, cloud sky blue color, cloud orange color kids, right arrow, red color kids, moon, brown color kids, cube, brown color kids, cube, light green color rounded square, kids shapes name repeat heart, cloud, right arrow, moon, cube, rounded square. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you kids.